Hey queens, kings, whoever's watching this, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be just juicing. I've been juicing lately ever since we started doing like a Daniel fast at the beginning of the year. So I've been trying to juice more regularly, be healthy. Yeah, so let's talk about that. Part of self-love is taking care of your body, loving your body, and what's more loving than giving your body the nutrients it deserves. So I got some, what I have some washed fruits. I have a lemon. I have some apples that I cut up already on the cutting board. I'll show you in a second. Right here. Yeah. Some stuff I cut up right there. And this is my juicer I got for $25 off of OfferUp. Don't mind me. Dirt that you see. But anyway. But yeah, so I'm going to be juicing. Like I said, I'm cutting up stuff right now. And like I said, try to talk about healing and self-love, emotional healing and self-love, but like a high, not even higher, but just on the same level of self-love is taking care of your body.
Mom.
Stop. You know, we always have our New Year's resolutions and talk about that, but how often do we keep the resolution? Like, I'm not gonna lie, like I don't think I do New Year's resolutions, but like every year for years, you know, it's always I'll lose weight. And I don't be sticking to that. But you know what, this year my goals are not even so much like financial. They're like health, mental, emotional health, just healing. And so let me give you a better shot. So here, let me fruits. I have these are Gala apples. These are like cosmic apples. They're like really sweet, have a really good taste to them. This is like a bartlett pear that's starting to get really ripe. Dropping stuff. One of my goals is to lose some of this gut, like bloating. I do like bloating and acid reflux as well. I'm just trying to heal my body. So no matter if you're healthy or you have some issues that you want to work through, taking care of your body is important. So I'm just cutting the peel off of here. You can peel it, you can cut it, or you can just put it in there. Obviously, if you put it in there, it's going to have a little more stronger flavor. But the oil and the skin is good for you too. So if you don't mind like those strong flavors, that's fine. But I have children and they kind of picky. They're like, oh, that's a little bit too much. So, here's my juice. So I'm going to turn on. It's going to be super loud. You might hear something in the back. My kids watch TV. That's okay because we're getting healthy, baby. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and plug it up right here, y'all. Oh my God. Okay. So, and it has settings like from one. He already knows, but he's just starting to put stuff in there. Okay, hold on, honey. Okay, so put apples first, and this is the thing. So, and then you press it out, and the juice comes out right there. Sorry, I got garlic in the way, y'all. I hope y'all can see that. Okay. So me and the baby's gonna start putting stuff in and go from there. Okay, so let's do the apple hard stuff first. Apples. Oh, so I usually put on the higher setting for the apples. I'm gonna go out. And I'm just gonna push it. Look at all that yummy juice coming out. Right, boo-boo. Good job. Yay. Good job, boo-boo. You doing it? Uh-oh. Put the apples in. Uh-oh. You gotta wash your hands, sweetheart, if you wanna help mommy. Go ahead and put it in there. I'm gonna put the garlic peel. Garlic peel. Okay, go ahead.
No.
And the juice is coming out. Go ahead. It's really loud.
That is really loud.
It's really loud. Go ahead, boo-boo. But it's so yummy. Isn't it yummy? It's loud, but it's yummy and delicious. Good job, boo-boo. You know how to do it, huh? So we always put the hard stuff in first, and then we put like the soft things like lemons, cucumbers, and oranges later just to wash everything through. Ooh, good job. Yay. Good job, boo-boo. You see all the pulp is coming right here out of there. And then there's the juice coming out over there. We will put the lemon, and we'll do that last. So put all this stuff in first. Go ahead, boo. There goes a pear, apple. No, that's not that you do. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Last apple. And then we're going to wash it all through with this lemon. Go ahead, put the lemon in there. Okay, honey, we're pretty much done now. Go ahead. We're putting that baby in there and watch the juice come out. It's okay. You're a little late this time. And so there you have it, y'all. I'm going to show you this. Oh, turn it on. Turn it on. Stop, Noah. I'm going to unplug it. Kids like to keep messing with it. But anyway, hold on. We're letting a little bit of the juice strain out so it doesn't drip on the counter. Okay, stop, boo-boo. And so this is the final product right here. It's like the foam like separates, but then what you do, you just swirl it around. Boop, boop. And I'm going to put this in this clear thing so you can see it. My little NutriBullet thing. So I'm swirling this. Really yummy juice. The kids love doing this. Hold on, boop, boop. Okay. Can I put it? Okay, you want to do it? Okay, don't spill this precious juice, though. Okay, whoa, slow down. So we're going to, go ahead and let the baby pour it in there. Go ahead. Look at that yummy juice. So this is apple and that's a lot. This is apple, lemon, and pear. And so hold on. We gonna put it top. I'll separate mine. Hold on. I'm gonna separate mine right here. Actually, I can pour it from the spout so the kids won't spill it. So let mommy put hers in there, and then you guys can. Okay. Here, you want this one? Here, why don't you have this one? And so this is what this looks like. Oh, did it turn off? Oh, it's still on. Okay, this is what it looks like. Let's taste it. Oh my goodness. If you've never had fresh juice, y'all. It's so crazy. But yeah, fresh juice. I'm making more videos like this. We're gonna learn about health, mind, body, and spirit, all of it, okay? We're gonna do all of it. I love y'all. Queens, love yourself. Let's sing that song. Love yourself again. Love yourself again. He's mad because he didn't get to help with the juice. He was taking too long. Love yourself again. Love yourself again. Girl, why you tripping? Love yourself again. Love yourself and take care of your health. Okay, 2023, we're going to focus on me. Oh, hey, that's the tagline. 2023, cheers. Focus on me. I love y'all.